Good evening, everyone. Protocol already been established. It's an absolute pleasure to be here this evening, today representing Health City Cayman Islands, a hospital built on a vision of care, compassion, and innovation. And today, I'm proud to say we're continuing that journey, not just to provide world-class healthcare, but to do so in a way that's smart, sustainable, and future-focused. Now, when most people hear of the word sustainability, they immediately think of solar panels, reusable water bottles, and electric cars. And yes, we care about those too, but at Health City, we've taken sustainability to another level. For us, sustainability means sustaining life, sustaining our people, our patients, our planet, and the systems that keep them all healthy. It means using technology to make healthcare faster, safer, and more resource efficient, without ever losing the human touch that defines who we are. So let's start with one of the most remarkable examples of this, our rapid AI stroke software, which is led by Dr. Romnish and Dr. Suzant, our neurologists. And everybody knows in this room, when it comes to a stroke, every minute truly matters. The longer the brain is starved of oxygen, the greater the damage. Rapid AI allows us to take the patient's brain scan and within seconds, not minutes, not hours, get a precise analysis of where the blockage is and how severe it might be. This instant insight triggers what we call the stroke code, bringing together an entire team across multi-departments at lightning speed. Emergency physicians, radiologists, neurologists, and interventional specialists all receive real-time alerts simultaneously on their cell phones, allowing treatment to begin almost immediately. It's technology and humanity working hand in hand to save a life, and that's sustainability in the truest sense, creating systems that allow us to do better, do faster, and do more good for more people. Next, we have our Da Vinci surgical robot, guided by the steady hands of Dr. Manoj, Dr. Gatcliffe, and Dr. Javant. And if you've never seen this robot in action, it's incredible. Just imagine a surgeon sitting comfortably at a console with his patient just a little bit away, controlling instruments with movements so precise that they can sew a stitch smaller than a grain of rice. These robotic procedures mean less blood loss, smaller scars, and faster recovery, and shorter hospital stays, which, by the way, also means less use of consumables, less energy, and a smaller environmental footprint. And in orthopedics, we have the Cori surgical robot, championed by Dr. Naranjan and Dr. Devandra, restoring mobility with millimeter-level precision. And it's not just a cool gadget, it's transforming recovery times and outcomes, helping patients to walk, to dance, to get back to exercise, and ultimately to live pain-free. Then there's something that's changing the game for women's health, AI-supported mammography. Our radiology team, led by Dr. Anil, is using advanced AI to read mammograms faster and with greater accuracy, flagging subtle abnormalities that even the human eye might miss. It's an incredible blend of clinical expertise and artificial intelligence, helping us detect breast cancer earlier, treat it sooner, and save more lives. In short, it's one of the most powerful examples of how technology can amplify care and not replace it. For our expectant mothers, Dr. Mamatha and her team are using the GE 4D ultrasound machine, giving a moving, crystal clear view of the baby before birth, supporting safer pregnancies while bringing their parents closer to that first magical glimpse of life. And now behind the scenes, our Meta AI analytics platform works quietly but brilliantly, analyzing hospital data to improve patient flow, reducing wait times, and optimizing resources. It's like having a digital brain in the background, ensuring every part of our system runs smoothly, conserving energy and freeing our teams to focus on what matters most, our patients. Now, all of these innovations have something in common. They're not about replacing people with machines. They're about enhancing human ability to allow our doctors and nurses to do what they do best, to care for the people. And of course, we still keep a sense of humor about it all, because even in marketing, we're using AI these days. And I actually asked it to help write this speech, and it did such a good job, I nearly let it deliver it too. In fact, it was this close to creating a hologram version of myself, so I wouldn't have to stand up here. But here I am, the slightly nervous, real version of me. But behind the humor, though, lies a serious truth. These tools are saving lives, preserving resources, and setting a standard for healthcare across the region. We're proud to say that this approach, one rooted in compassion, powered by innovation, and guided by sustainability, is what makes Health City unique. We're not waiting for the future of medicine, we're building it right here in Cayman. So yes, sustainability to us is about protecting the planet, but it's also about protecting the people who live on it, ensuring that the little boy who falls off his bike, the grandmother who suffers a stroke, or the mother-to-be awaiting her first baby's heartbeat all have access to care that's modern, meaningful, and made to last. So thank you, and here's to a future where innovation and empathy go hand in hand, and where we care not just for today, but for tomorrow too, and where Health City continues to lead the way, smart, sustainable, and full of heart. And I have a little video just to showcase all of that.
Your care. It's not just about diagnosis or procedures. It's the hands that guide you through uncertainty, that comfort you when answers are hard, that help you take the next step, and the technology that extends their reach. With Meta AI, information becomes insight. Meta gives clarity to the hands that guide your care, transforming data into choices that keep you safer and healthier. When a stroke happens, every second counts. Rapid AI instantly connects your care team, giving your doctors what you need most: time in their hands wherever they are. In the stillness of a mammogram room, certainty matters. Here, advanced imaging reveals the smallest changes, or no change at all, turning fear into relief. Hands refined through years of practice. The Da Vinci robot that translates every motion into unmatched precision. Joining hands and arms, they make surgery gentler, recovery faster, and scars smaller. The Cori robot sees what's beneath the surface, mapping each joint with accuracy. Skilled hands use that knowledge to restore balance and strength in every step. The remarkable clarity of 4D ultrasound means the connection is already there before you even meet your little miracle. Every breathtaking detail, the rhythm of a heartbeat, the curl of a tiny hand, makes you feel closer than ever. This is care empowered by technology. This is the future in your hands.